Friday afternoon. It's about 143 degrees in here. It's really not. It's probably, I bet you it's 100. But anyways, inside the camper, getting it ready. We doing some cleaning. So come along. Let's get this pig all cleaned up and ready for camping. I'm going to say one thing and one thing only. Cleaning the camper when it's 100 degrees outside is so much better when you can have the AC running and enjoying the cool breeze. Alrighty, got the stove, the sink clean. Just, that's all washed. I washed that before the end of the season. That's the heater. I have the dehumidifier that sits here over here. So just putting the tinkering away and just putting the stuff away. Okay, here we are, boys and girls. Camper is ready. Just got done mopping. Floor is all clean. I need to take that trash out, but I'm waiting for the floor to dry. Bed's made. We are ready to go. I filled the tank up with water because that's how I like to keep things full. Once I de-winterize the camper, this is what I'm doing, since I didn't winterize it, I fill the tank up, I fill the lines up, I turn the hot water tank on to build up hot water. I turn the pump on because if there's a broken line, you have the pump on, the pump's going to continuously run. Pump didn't do that, so we're good to go, no broken lines. Yeah. So, sorry, to get back to my point. Once I de-winterize the camper, I always keep the water tank full. And the reason why I do that is because in case there is a natural disaster, all I gotta do is literally throw Mortimer's dog food in the camper, put the dog in the camper, and we drive away. And we can live in this very easily. Air conditioner's running. It's 100 degrees outside. The door is open and it's 79 degrees in here. So, doesn't matter if it's 114 degrees. There's a natural disaster. Our house burns down. Me, Mortimer are safe. It is. What time is it? It's 3:20 right now. The boys graduate today. So I got to go to their graduation, and I am so proud of them. It's a tough day, don't get me wrong, tough day. Their dad should be here, but that didn't happen. So we got to go do that. But I wanted to get the camper ready to go, and it is ready to go. So like, subscribe, favorite, share this video, comment, help my algorithm. People, help my algorithm. Cruise videos are on hold until November. I'm going to Ensenada, San Diego, and Cabo. So stay tuned for those videos. But until then, it's time to go camping. Come along.